Hey everyone, welcome to my new blog. Today I will tell you about animals and their young ones and their sound. Here parent animal cow, its baby calf, its sound moo. Here parent animal sheep, its baby lamb, its sound baa. Here parent animal goat, its baby kid, its sound baa. Here parent animal dog, its baby puppy, its sound bark. Here parent animal cat, its baby kitten, its sound meow. Here parent animal horse, its baby foal, its sound nee. Here parent animal pig, its baby piglet, its sound oink. Here parent animal elephant, its baby calf, its sound tramp. Here parent animal lion, its baby cub, its sound roar. Here parent animal duck, its baby duckling, its sound quack. Now everyone speak with me. Cow baby calf, its sound moo. Sheep baby lamb, its sound baa. Goat baby kid, its sound bleat. Dog baby puppy, its sound woof. Cat baby kitten, its sound meow. Horse baby foal, its sound nee. Pig baby piglet, its sound grunt. Elephant baby calf, its sound tramp. Lion baby cub, its sound roar. Duck baby duckling, its sound quack. Now everyone please type in the comment box parent animal, its body, baby and sound. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.